A square building covers an area of 1,269 square feet. What is the length of each side of the building? So when you read through something like this, it's helpful to draw a picture, frankly. Even though the picture doesn't really tell us anything about the math, it's just easier to think about. So one thing that I might not have thought about if I hadn't drawn a picture is the fact that this does specify that this is a square building, which means that whatever length this wall is, let's call it W, the length here is the same, and that's the length there and the length there. Notice I'm not calling it width and length, because yes, I could call this one length and then go through and call this one length as well. The reason I wouldn't choose to do that is because if this is a square building, these are the same number, and it's a lot easier if we have the same number, just use the same symbol for it. That way you don't have to worry about having two different variables floating around. So let's see, the area of the building. Well, the area of this building we can find by taking length times width. Those are both W, though. And so we get W times W equals 1269, or W squared equals 1269. So really, the question that's being asked here is what number when squared is equal to 1269? And, well, this is exactly what we've been doing with square roots. If we want to find the square root of 1269, we can just type that into the calculator, and we can see it must be 35.62 feet, approximately. So the length of each side of the building is approximately 30. That looks like a square there. This is intended to be a squiggly equals. W is approximately equal to 35.62 feet. You can double check your work here if you feel uncomfortable with that. 35.62 times 35.62, and you can see we get close to 1269. Of course, it's not exact because I rounded when I'm calling this 35.62. I am rounding there. But there we have it.